Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. So first I will take this as a base 50 mm, 35 plus 50 and dia 30 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select here extrude, select the top plane, create one rectangle first, give the dimensions 35 and 50 mm, give the constraints here, vertical, and give the horizontal constraint also. Next create on 30 dia circle, the dimension is 50 mm. Give the vertical constraints, create line like this, next there is a dia 16 and dia 8 circle, next there is a two flanges is there, we can create this now also. This is only for updated software's future. Give the dimensions, ten mm, 10 mm. So that's it, finish sketch. First select this face, the thickness is 10 mm, okay. Next select sketch again, extrude, select this and this 45 mm. Next select sketch again, extrude, select this and this, the height is 12 mm. Next same sketch, extrude this face up to 14 mm. Next select the fillet here, the fillet dimension is R10, R6. Select these four edges, R6, 6 mm, select this and this edge. Next there is a rib, the rib dimension is 35 mm and thickness is 10 mm. Select the right plane, sketch, give the dimension 35 mm. So finish sketch, reverse the direction here, thickness is 10 mm. Okay, Control 7. Next here there is a one cutout, so select 2-point slot, select this radius, you will get a point. Next select this radius, you will get a point. The dimension is 10 mm, R5 is there, so it is 10 mm. Okay, select extruded cut, select this sketch, extruded cut. Here we can select up to next. Okay, next here there is a 2 holes, so the diameter is dia 6 mm. For that no need to sketch, select hole wizard, we need simple hole, drill size diameter 6 mm. Here we can select up to next. The position is select this face. Here just select this edge, you will get a point. Same this side also. Finish. Control 7. So you can compare with the drawing, friends. If anything is missing, you can leave the comment below. So assign the material, steel, polished steel. Edit appearances, we can assign color as per your requirements. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed the session, and also I am requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next.